What's going to happen after this Jummah? I have to get back to work. I have to do this. This brother's talking too much. You're in your mind already, you've exited. You're already gone. Some of you are, mashallah, you have a long-term plan. Forget about the next 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You're thinking about the next 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, right? And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَلَا تَقُولَنَّ لِشَيْءٍ إِنِّي فَاعِلٌ ذَلِكَ غَدًا. Full stop, end of ayah. Don't say, I'm going to do this tomorrow. Finished, ayah is done. And then Allah gives an exception. The first complete command is what? Don't even talk about the future. Who do you think you are that you have some claim to the future? The future belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You have no claim and no right to talk about the future. And then what? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us an exception. إِلَّا أَن يَشَاءَ Allah. Except if Allah wills. Except if Allah wills. We have story of Mullah Nasruddin. He wanted to sell his donkey. He was walking to the marketplace with his donkey. And the people said, hey Mullah, where are you going? He said, I'm going to sell my donkey. They said, you should say inshallah. He said, inshallah what? Inshallah everything, inshallah. He said, here's my donkey, there's the marketplace, I'm going to sell it. He said, okay, fine. He's upset. Maybe he woke up on the wrong side of bed. So he went to the marketplace. For one moment, he was not present. For one moment, he lost his consciousness. He was looking this way, that way. He was not paying attention. He was not aware of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And somebody stole his donkey. So he looked around, he couldn't find the donkey. He spent the whole day, and now nighttime is arriving. Maghrib is about to happen. He's walking back home. He's upset. He's sad. Somebody said, hey Mullah, how much money did you get for your donkey? He said, somebody stole it, inshallah. Allahu Akbar. Right? Inshallah is not just words. It's a state of being. It's a state of awareness. It is ihsan. That when you're in the presence of Allah, you recognize, Ya Allah, I belong to you. My past belongs to you. My future belongs to you.